In social media company Facebook jumped almost 10% following its latest quarterly results. The figures showed its revenue for the past 3 months rose by almost a third to $1.25 billion. Joining me now in studio is Mark Murnane of Market Spreads. First of all, Mark, the markets seem to have reacted fairly positively to these results.
They certainly have. The stock, as you said there, was up. It's up about 10% in after-hours trading in the States. I think really the revenue line that most analysts and investors will look at was better than expected. And also the big surprise was the revenue that they generated from mobile advertising. That was up at about 15% of revenue. Analysts had expected 5%, so that was the big surprise.
In fact, one of the big growth areas now is mobile advertising. Why is that so important?
Well, I think if you look at Facebook, certainly 60% of Facebook's users will log on using some sort of mobile device, be it a smartphone or a tablet. So I think that was, after the last set of numbers, they disappointed on the mobile advertising revenue, and the management said that they wanted to put a strategy in place to really try and grow that side of the business. And it looks like they have put that in place now with these numbers, and I think that's why analysts and investors alike seem to be quite impressed.
Finally and briefly, Mark, Facebook has had a rough ride recently. Has it turned the corner?
I wouldn't say after one set of good numbers that they've turned the corner, but it certainly is a building block in the way to doing so.
Okay, thanks very much indeed for that, Mark Murnane of Market Spreads.